Ever called a function and got undefined is not a function. Default parameters prevent that nightmare. Let's see how. Setting a default parameter is simple. In your function definition, use the equals sign after the parameter name, then your default value. Like function greet with name equals guest. When someone calls greet without arguments, name becomes guest automatically. No more undefined errors. Defaults activate in two cases. First, when you don't pass an argument at all. Second, when you explicitly pass undefined. But here's the catch. Passing null does not trigger the default. Null is a real value, so your function gets null, not the default. Parameter order matters. Required parameters always come first. Default parameters come after. You can't put a required parameter after an optional one. JavaScript reads parameters left to right, so mixing them up breaks the function's signature. Here's a subtle detail. Default values are evaluated every time the function is called, not when it's defined. So if your default is an expression like new array or date.now, it runs fresh each call. This means arrays and objects get created new each time, preventing shared reference bugs. Default parameters make your functions robust by handling missing arguments gracefully. Use them to write cleaner, safer code. Practice this in your next project and level up your JavaScript skills. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.